Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the switch model and physical needs because compatibility prevents issues later. Once done, mount or place the switch with proper clearance to avoid overheating. Next, plug in AC power and flip the unit on. You should see status LEDs come up. If LEDs stay off, check the outlet and power cable. Make sure to note uplink port labels so you connect the WAN or core device to the correct port first. You now connect devices logically, uplink to your router or core, and hosts to access ports because correct topology avoids loops. Once cables are in, access the switch via console or web GUI to set a management IP, subnet mask, and gateway so you can administer remotely. Configure basic security. Change default admin password and enable SSH. Make sure to save settings to startup configuration so you finish by creating required VLAN and assigning access ports. Tag trunk ports between switches to preserve traffic separation. Then adjust port speed and duplex only if auto-negotiation fails, and enable PoE or Co-S where necessary to prioritize critical devices. Once configured, test end-to-end connectivity using ping and check ARP entries. If a device has no link, look at the port LED, swap cables, and run a cable tester. A single bad cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.